So without further ado, I would like to welcome you guys. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to definitely keep it very short and sweet, but I will talk in English and Hindi also, so that majority of people who are understanding Hindi can, join me. And if they have question, they can ask me in Hindi also. Okay, there's no problem. Language is not a barrier. Okay, so let's get started with that. So a little bit of before I start, I'm just want to put some disclaimer and what we are looking for, what is the expectation of this webinar. At the end of this webinar, or workshop, you are going to get a very good bonus right now, so that I will give you some small opportunity just for showing up today on this webinar or workshop, and I'm going to give you some value for your time by giving you some you can make around 700 to 1,000 rupees at the end of this webinar workshop itself. So for that, you have to hang in till the end of this workshop. I'm going to share with you all the details. So definitely your time is important as mine. So without further ado, let's get started. The whole expectation of this webinar is we are looking to help 300 or maybe more, like I see there are around 400 members going to join this meeting. So we are trying to help, at least my target is to help 300 to 500 make 5 to 6 figure income in 2021. And if you are excited and if you are looking to make your 2021 successful, then definitely you need to listen to this workshop and the workshop that we are going to have on a regular basis. Okay, so let's get started. Before we start, I just want to put some disclaimer. This lecture or this particular workshop is not a pitch to invest in Bitcoin. This information is intended for information purpose only. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not an investment advice. That said, I hope I want to inspire you to get involved in Bitcoin community. Okay, so it's a very good community, and there's a lot of opportunities. There is a lot of development in terms of opportunity in investment, in terms of blockchain developer, in job opportunity. So if you are looking for a job in blockchain, there is a huge opportunity, and I'm going to explain you how what it is and what I'm talking about. Okay. Next disclaimer. It's not a financial advice. The information contained on this particular webinar or resources that you'll be getting it through the website or not included, that shall not be understood or constituted as a financial advice. Okay, so this is just a disclaimer, so that people don't take this. This is for the educational purpose. Of course, you can make your own decision if you are interested in investing, but don't put all money into crypto or anywhere, any investment. Always take a smaller portfolio and then invest it. Okay, so this is not a financial advice. So I just want to get that out. And the images in this particular webinar or workshop that we have given the credits to the sources from where we took the images, or the references and all. So it's not a copyright disclaimer we are trying to put together here, so that is also out of a picture. So as per the copyright law, you can go through this particular thing. So let's talk about something about myself. I think Himanshu gave you a little bit background. So I'm an entrepreneur based in New York with more than 30 plus combined experience in IT, real estate, and crypto. And I'm a crypto enthusiast, and I have helped a lot of people, many people. Like I don't know how many people I have helped 5 to 6 figure income. So I started crypto in 2016 when it was just when the crypto industry was just getting started, and there were lots of people from all across the globe, from Philippines, South Africa, US, Canada, Australia, you name it. We had a huge network of Telegram group, and I used to help those people. Some people were jobless, some people had tsunami in their place. Philippines had just recently tsunami, and they were jobless, they were helpless, they didn't have money to eat, or they didn't have enough food to give it to their family and all. And Bitcoin and crypto came in as a you can say it was blessing in disguise, so basically they were able to make some quick money by investing in crypto, by putting together, buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever coins are available, and then they could make a living. There are people who started with $50 to $100 to $300 to $500, or maybe more, based on how much time they put together, how much money they invested. And they made a lot of money right from 2016. And I have helped make a lot of people make 5 to 6 figure income. Okay, so this is not a bold statement I want to say, but definitely they have made more than that. But I don't go and see their financial statements and all, but I come to know from their Telegram share, chats, or YouTube message, or whatever it is. They encouraged, they thanked me for helping them put food on their table. So this is what it is. So you look at some people say blockchain or crypto is a scam, or it's a bad thing. People use it for wrong purpose and things like that. But it's just a cryptocurrency, just like dollar or INR or any currency. People can use it for good purpose, and people can use it for bad purpose. We cannot stop them. It is the people who take this blockchain or crypto and use it for wrong purpose. So our intention is to teach you the right methods and right technology, which will help you earn legitimate money through crypto, through trading, through blockchain development, through investment. Okay, so this is just a little bit background about myself. I've been working on crypto for last 4 years as a crypto and blockchain technologies. I also do coding and writing codes and software and all. I have been in investment, stock and real estate for last 10 years. In real estate, me and my partners and group, we manage some rental properties, we manage some investment properties. We help investor groups in New York to provide them technology, tools, and all the marketing information for them. So I have a huge community of real estate investors that I talk about and preach them about investment into real estate. Before that, I had 10 plus years working with major multinational companies, to name you some, where GE, IBM, Deloitte, Consulting, HP, Cisco, Cadence, Silicon, in Silicon Valley and New York. So these are the places where I worked in the past as an IT project manager, global operation manager, and developer. Okay, I have before coming to US, this is from India. I was an entrepreneur. I had a training institute. I had a software and training institute, hardware, software, and training institute way back in Mumbai. I had been teaching in various training institutes like Data Pro, Aptech, so my college, CCIT, and I've trained more than 3,500 professionals during my tenure as a faculty and corporate trainer. Guys, if you are just joining in, we're just starting up and just giving you an intro. And if you are able to not hear me clearly, or if I'm going too fast or too slow, well, please put that in your comment box or in the chat. If you want me to talk in Hindi or explain you anything, just put that in chat. I'm monitoring your chat also, and I can see what you guys see. So if you have any questions, please put the questions right across. Yes, somebody says also explain in Hindi. Yes. तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी थोड़ी जितना भी आएगा मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा. आई होप थोड़ा इंग्लिश आ जाती है बीच में, तो मैं हिंदी में कोशिश करूंगा बात करने की आपसे. ये जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, क्रिप्टो करेंसी क्या है और उसमें क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी मीन्स आपको क्या फायदे हैं, क्या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मीन्स आपको कितने जॉब आप इसमें कर सकते हो, ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर बन सकते हो, आप उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, आप ये क्रिप्टो करेंसी कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, यही हमारा इसका मेन पर्पस होगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. So I think a lot of people are saying they want it in English, some people are saying in Hindi. So I'm going to some terms I will put it in English and Hindi so everybody gets it. Okay. Okay, so as I was talking about, prior to coming to US, I was a software developer and trained more than 3,500 professionals as a entrepreneur and training institute. So that's why I can also teach, and I can also explain it to you in a very easier manner. I hope this webinar workshop is going to definitely change your perspective towards cryptocurrency, and you'll take interest, and you will start using cryptocurrency and start making effective use of this blockchain technology for making money, or for making a job opportunity or investment. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So our mission is basically, we are trying to so we are trying to enable and inspire and educating retail investors, traders with cryptocurrency and blockchain. Okay, so this is our main mission. We are here to make you aware about the blockchain, encourage you, and also give you a perspective about what is blockchain, what is cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. What is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Okay, so everybody's talking these days. What is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, your Litecoin? There's hundreds of coins. What is it? What is that everybody's talking about? What is it? So we are going to talk about what is cryptocurrency, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to do trading for a living. Like trading is buying and selling. Investment in crypto, like you buy it and invest it, and how to earn passive income. So what is passive income? Is like you invest once into a particular asset. Asset could be a real estate, or fixed deposit, or mutual funds, and you keep benefiting the rewards every single month, or every single, depending on the type of asset, every single month you can get the benefit. So that's called a passive income. And how to work from anywhere, remotely, and from your comfort of your home. Now, today, as you know, I'm also sitting in US, New York, and from my comfort of my home. And you guys are also sitting in your home office or wherever you are attending this webinar. And we can work on cryptocurrency from anywhere. You can work in daytime, nighttime, after hours, after your work. The sky is the limit. You don't need to have any kind of expensive tools and all. All you need is a laptop or your desktop, or even a smartphone. Even a smartphone these days is good enough for you to invest, do trading, buy and sell through a smartphone. So all you need is a Wi-Fi, internet, and a smartphone to start making money or invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So the solution, what is the solution? I told you the problem, like, you need to understand about the cryptocurrency, all the jargons, what is Bitcoin, Litecoin and all, and how to invest, what is a wallet. There are so many things we are going to clear after this session, and you are going to be an expert. At least you will know a little bit about what cryptocurrency is, and how you can start investing, as well as all this terminology. You will get acquainted with all the terminology. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So the solution for understanding is learning. Okay, so you invest your time in learning crypto, you learn crypto trading, you learn investment, how to invest, and learn various tools. Basically, tools are nothing but like you need to know MetaMask tool, or you need to know like if you have a hard wallet, so how do you configure that, how do you download the software. So all those things are various tools that comes when you are using crypto or blockchain. You need to understand that, and we are going to help you all the way, step by step. So we are going to walk you through like a handheld thing, and we have various webinars, workshop. We are going to organize it. So we'll take a deeper dive. So this is a free workshop. We are going to give you an introduction, and at the end of this workshop, you will make some money, or you can definitely, that's up to you. If you take the opportunity, you can. And also, we are going to introduce you to our next webinar. I think Himanshu and other people are going to talk about that also, or I'll just tell you what it is going to be. So, and we'll also take a question answer. Okay, so with that said, if you have any questions, put it in the chat, and we'll take those questions at the end of the, whenever we have time to take those questions. Okay, so I think 3 people have raised their hands, so I don't know what it is. Uh, can somebody see what they are talking about? Is there any questions? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, I think somebody raised questions. Okay, Manisha Kaur and Advait Patra. Okay, so can you put your questions? I don't know what you are raising the hand for, but maybe you can ask the questions and we'll take it at the end of the session after we complete. Okay. Okay. So now coming to the bigger question, like what is cryptocurrency? Everybody's talking about this. What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? So basically, in a very easier term, cryptocurrency is a form of payment. Okay, it's a form of payment that you give or take from someone. It's just like currency. You have a Indian rupees or a dollar. So you go to a store, you want to buy some bread or you want to buy some grocery, you want to buy some vegetable, you take the thing and you pay some Indian rupees or a dollar, and then they give you the thing. It's just like a barter. You are buying some grocery, and in exchange, you're giving some currency which has a value. Okay, so Indian rupees has a value, US dollar has a value, and we equate the value based on global currency and dollar value, dollar to Indian rupees conversion, and so on. Similar way, cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods or services. Okay, so you can through cryptocurrency from Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or whatever coin you have, you can use it for providing. You can buy goods, like you can go to Amazon or you can go to a pizza store or Starbucks or Dunkin' Donut or whatever pizza shop you have, McDonald's, Burger King. You can go show your wallet when they say, okay, this is $10 or 10 rupees or 50 rupees. You give them 50 rupees worth of cryptocurrency, and then they give you in exchange the grocery or the food item. So basically, it's a cryptocurrency work using a technology called blockchain. Okay, so it's a blockchain in nothing but it's a ledger-based system. I'll come to that in the next slide. So blockchain is a decentralized technology. What is the decentralized? That's a very important term to know. So we are living in a centralized world. Centralized world means everything is controlled. So your Indian rupees or dollar is controlled by your Indian rupees is controlled by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. US dollar is controlled by the US government, and all those. Every country has a controller. So we are controlling the currency, whereas it's like called as a centralized. Okay, so centralized means there is a intervention. So if you want to go and withdraw money, you have to go to a bank. Okay, you have to go to a bank and you have to either write a check and show it to the teller. The teller will give you a cash and you take the cash and come. So there is always a third party involved, either a bank or is a financial institution or XYZ. Okay, if you go to a bank, it will be a bank. If you go to a mutual fund or investing company, it will be an investing company. If you go to a third party source, then that will be a store or something. So that's how it's called as a centralized exchanges, or the currency that we are using these days are centralized. Whereas decentralized is, that means what? There is no middleman. There's no some middleman in between. So if I have to send you $10 worth of Bitcoin, there is no bank involved. There is no nobody involved in between. I send you money through a blockchain address. You give me your Bitcoin address. I send you a $10, and then once you receive it, you say, okay, I received it. And all this information goes through a blockchain or a ledger, and everything is tracked. So when you send a transaction to somebody, that goes, it creates an entry into the ledger, a blockchain ledger entry, and then that gets broadcasted, and then it gets goes to that particular miners, and the miners take it, process it, and then send the money or the crypto to the receiver, and then it sends you acknowledgement, and then you can both can see that somebody has sent the money and somebody has received it, and everything gets stored on the ledger, and you can go back in time and see that ledger. You can always put that as a transactional information, so somebody can dispute it. You can show that and you have made a payment. So nothing goes it's nothing like doing some shady thing. Everything goes on the blockchain, and that's how the blockchain works. Okay, so it's basically a decentralized technology. Decentralized in means what? There is no third party involved, whereas centralized that we are used to is like there is a third party involved. Okay, so blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions, which I told you. It's a ledger transaction. Part of appeal of this technology is security, and it's very secure. Everything goes through the security. So there is no, of course, people talk about hacks and all, but most of the blockchain is totally secure. The hack happens on the centralized exchanges, or where there are exchanges or some kind of blockchain coins where people make it and put it onto different DeFi exchange, DeFi services and all. That's where the hack happens. But on the blockchain, there is hardly we have heard about any kind of a hacks. Okay, hacks is basically somebody stealing your money or somebody stealing your cryptocurrency, and we'll teach you how to protect from hacks, how to protect your currency or investment. Just like, you know, if you put money into your bank or you carry a cash, there are possibility that people can steal your money. They can rob you, right? But with the digital currency, nobody can rob you because it's all digital. Unless you protect your wallet, you protect your address, you protect it with two-factor authentication, nobody can steal your cryptocurrency. And you need to be very careful that what security precautions you take. And we are going to teach you in a detail when you join our other workshop also. But to give you an example, you have to always have a two-factor authentication, which will always validate it through your text message or through third-party two-factor authentication like Google Authenticator or Authy. So I'm going to talk about that also in my detailed training workshop. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So in short, this is the what a blockchain explained. Okay, so you have a digital ledger. Okay, you have a digital ledger. A blockchain is a digital ledger which keeps records, and then that information gets encrypted. Information is processed, and then you send peer-to-peer from one place to another place, and then it goes, the data sharing happens. The blockchain can be used for more than just transferring funds from one place to another. You can also use it for data sharing, and it is a decentralized. Okay, so these are the blocks of the blockchain basically. So you have a digital ledger, you have encrypted information goes from one end to another end, and then it goes between two peer-to-peer, one place to another place. That's called peer-to-peer, P2P in short. And you have a data sharing. It can be used for data sharing because it has its own ledger. So all the transaction information can be shared in public, or you can keep it private. Whatever it is you want, you can share the data, and it is a decentralized. The blockchain is a decentralized. You don't need a central authority to work with a blockchain. Okay, so that's the beauty of blockchain. Okay, so do you have any questions so far? Just put it in the chat so you don't forget it. Okay, somebody said what we have talked, so basically we are just introducing about the blockchain and all. So those people who are joining right now, I just talked about what is the cryptocurrency. We are going to talk about how to invest, how to earn passive income. And then now we are talking about the solution, and we are coming to what is cryptocurrency. So you're not missed out anything. Initially, I just gave you some disclaimer and the intro about myself. So if you're joining right now, those people who are joining late, it's okay. You're not missed on many things. So keep, don't miss out the end, because there is a lot of things which you are going to share. And today at the end of the session, you will make some money. Okay. So that's all. With that, let's go to the next one. We have a lot of things to cover in the workshop, and we have already passed, I think, half an hour. So we have another 15-20 minutes, and then I will take questions. Okay. Okay. So now, why should you care about Bitcoin? Everybody's talking. Why should I care? Why should I care? I don't need. I have Indian rupees. I have money coming in. Why should I care? So why? Because the most influential people in the world are investing in Bitcoin. You name it, top billionaires are investing, small mom and pop shop owners are investing, retail investors are investing, even a small vendor shop is investing. Why? The reason is Bitcoin is finite supply. Okay, so Bitcoin has only 21 million coins. It's just like in perspective to tell you, like gold. Gold is another asset class where you have a very finite supply. You don't have gold, you have to do gold mining, and people invest in gold because it's a currency, it's a very good asset class where you cannot have unlimited. Okay, your currency, as far as rupees or dollar or yuan or whatever currencies that you have, yen or whatever currencies in the world we have, ruble and all. So everything is not infinite, it is infinite. It's not a definite, it's not like there is a shortage of it. US government keeps on printing US dollar. There is no finite supply, that's infinite supply. They can print it. Even Indian rupees can be printed by RBI anytime. So when you have a scarcity, whenever there is an asset which is a scarcity, it is definitely always goes in price. Okay, it will always increase in price. That's the major factor, whether it's a gold or diamond or any kind of a asset class that is very finite supply. Finite means बहुत थोड़ी सप्लाई होती है तो उसका डिमांड बहुत बढ़ जाता है. याद रखो कि जितना कम सप्लाई उतना डिमांड ज्यादा, अगर जितना ज्यादा सप्लाई है उसका डिमांड कम हो जाता है. In short, when you have finite supply, there is always the price goes up. When you have infinite supply, the price goes down. So that's why we have inflation. The cryptocurrency is the only currency right now which has a finite supply. Even gold has a finite supply. We don't get infinite supply. Otherwise, everybody would keep stacking gold and all. So that is the key factor why the price is rising. Of course, you must have seen the Bitcoin is very volatile market. It keeps on going up and down. Like, it can go 30% up. Sometimes it can crash for 50% down, because it's how people buy and sell. There is no centralized body which controls it. That's why it's decentralized. As I mentioned, there is no third party involved. Whatever we sell, whatever we buy, the price goes up and down. There is no centralized system which is controlling blockchain or cryptocurrency. Of course, there are some coins which are created without this finite supply. It's an infinite supply. Those coins, there are always chances that it will go down and it can crash also. But Bitcoin, the major currency, the godfather of blockchain, the main currency, has a very finite supply of 21 million in circulation right now. Okay, and after maybe in few months, this 21 million supply will be scarce, and every minute it's people are hodling it, people are holding it. So there will be always a time where you will have a shortage of the Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is unhackable. As I told you, it's a blockchain. It's unhackable. Bitcoin is the biggest financial revolution we may ever see. So why you should invest, or why you should talk about, or at least know about Bitcoin, is this is going to be a financial revolution we may ever see. And Bitcoin is not tied to banks or government. You can become your own bank because you control your asset, you control the cryptocurrency, and you control your money. Not a bank controls your money. They cannot take it. They cannot close down the Bitcoin, because it's not a centralized. They can make governance, like, government can stop you from trading. The governments will make you hard to buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin, but they cannot stop blockchain or Bitcoin. Okay, so with that being said, Bitcoin is also a peer-to-peer and does not need a permission to send anywhere in the world. You can send digital currency anywhere. So if I'm sitting in New York, I want to send somebody some money to Singapore, or I want to receive something for my services. If I'm a consultant and I provide some services, I can take it through wire. I can take it through ACH check. I can do a wire transfer, but it takes longer time. It takes maybe 3 days, 5 days to enter into my bank. And there is always a chance that people can revert the thing. Whereas in blockchain, the best part of is that you cannot revert the changes. So once you send it, you cannot revert it. Okay, if you want to get back the money, you have to request it to the sender, and then you can get it back. So there is a good part of it and bad part of it. It's good for people who are genuinely providing services, and they do the service, they give a good service, and they get paid in crypto, and within few minutes they'll get their money back. Whatever investment or whatever service they are provided, they can get the money into their account right away. There's no bank involved. It's just from the client to the service provider. So there is no middleman, and there is very less commission, or whatever you call it, mining fees that you have to pay for every transaction. But it is very, very less than what banks are charging across the globe. Okay, so, and it's very secure and very fast. So that's why people are using blockchain for doing transaction, for providing services and goods and things. They are selling it, and in a legal manner. Okay, and you can save fees in an instant transaction, and you can also you can use it for various purposes. You can provide services, and you can sell goods with blockchain or cryptocurrency. Okay, so now coming to Bitcoin price. Okay, so now why we are talking about Bitcoin, and what is so good about Bitcoin? So this is the asset class. If you see in the chart, in 2013, when it started, it was very almost like $123. So $123, you could buy one Bitcoin for $123. Okay, in 2013. So guess what? If you had invested in 2013, when the Bitcoin was not in the major retail market, very few people were knowing, maybe IT savvy. Yeah, I was also knowing about blockchain and Bitcoin. I just let it go. I also was skeptical about it, thinking that it is some kind of a scam, or it's just going to not have the major market share and all. And I thought, okay, I'm not going to invest. I got the opportunity in 2013, 14 and all. I also, just like you guys, some of you guys who are on the fence, I also did not take the opportunity. I started investing only after 2016, when I really felt like I should be definitely going to miss out something. So people who invested in those time, one Bitcoin, they got it for $123. And today, if you see, the price of Bitcoin is like 36, 37,000. It went up to $60,000 also. So you can imagine what amount of returns they got if they had invested one Bitcoin in 2013. Today it was worth 60,000 just till I think April. So you can imagine they just how many times, I don't know how many times, it might be more than 1,000% time, so you can imagine. So it's like you cannot think about it. It definitely, as blockchain and Bitcoin, there is up and down. You can see here, let me take the screen here and annotations. Let me get it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll share it to you on another slide. Okay, so you understood, like, I want to get to this all this slides, and then I'll explain it to you. Okay, so you can see right now it has gone in December 2017 around $19,000. You can say close to 20,000. Then it fell down during the pandemic crisis. March, it went to $5,000 here. It went to 5,000, and then right now it's going back. It went up to 60,000 and coming down. So this is the slide from Financial Express. So I just want to share it with you. So here it is. Okay. So if you see, okay, so one can invest. If somebody has invested, you can imagine what is the return that they would have got it. And there is a term called fear of missing out. So people started investing later on. But still, those who started investing in 2014, 15, 16, 17, they made a ton of money. So here is an analogy. In March 2020, almost every market crashed when the world went into lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, even cryptocurrency weren't spared the panic. However, the cryptocurrency market has been one of the first to bounce right back. And how? It if one had invested 3.7 lakh or $4,945, that was the time in March 2020, one Bitcoin was almost like $4,900, okay, which is 3.7 lakh in conversion. At that time, to buy just one Bitcoin as of January this year, one BTC would have come worth 26 lakhs rupees. So your 3.7 lakh rupees or 4 lakhs rupees would have turned into 26 lakhs rupees just by buying Bitcoin and holding it. Holding it means just buy Bitcoin, put it into the blockchain wallet, and don't do anything. Sit on it. लेके खरीद के रखने का, जस्ट लाइक गोल्ड आप लेते हो, उसको पूजा करते हो और तिजोरी में रख देते हो, वैसे ही आपने एक बिटकॉइन लिया होता और एक ब्लॉकचेन में रख देते थे या हार्डवेयर वॉलेट में आप स्टोर कर देते, तो उसका आज की तारीख में कीमत होती 26 लाख रुपया। तो आप सोचो 4 लाख का 26 लाख, ऑलमोस्ट 7x, दैट्स कॉल्ड 7x, आपका 7 गुना इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ जाता। तो जो एक गरीब किसान होता या एक गरीब कामगार होता जिसने अपने जिंदगी भर में 5 लाख रुपया या 4 लाख रुपया कमाया होगा या 40 लाख रुपया जो भी है, उसने अगर थोड़ी उसका 10% इन्वेस्ट किया होता तो आज भूखमरी नहीं होती। आज फार्मर्स लोग जो हो रहा है इंडिया में वो नहीं होता अगर क्रिप्टो करेंसी के बारे में मालूम होता तो, राइट? एंड इट इज नॉट बैड। नाउ यू कैन से दैट isn't the government is going to ban it and all? Yeah, government will make sure, but if you are legitimate, you could have paid the capital gain. What is capital gain? जब आप एक कुछ इन्वेस्ट करते हो या रियल एस्टेट या कोई भी आप एसेट क्लास में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, तो उसके ऊपर आपको कैपिटल गेन होता है कि आपने 4 लाख रुपए में खरीदा, आज उसका कीमत 26 लाख है, तो आपका प्रॉफिट हो गया 22 लाख रुपया। 22 लाख पे आपको कैपिटल गेन देना पड़ता है, जो आपके टैक्स स्ट्रक्चर के हिसाब से आपको मिलता है। ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट अ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर, जस्ट टेक दिस एज एन एग्जांपल। यू हैव टू टॉक टू योर सीए सीपीए and get this thing cleared, but even after paying the capital gain tax you would have still made, even government अपना शेयर ले लेता capital gain का और आपको उसमें प्रॉफिट मुनाफा डेफिनेटली होता। तो there is, what is lacking is the awareness. People are not aware about it, and that is what we as a blockchain enthusiast or crypto enthusiast, we want to make you aware about it. There is nothing hanky panky in this. It is just an investment. आपने एक रियल एस्टेट जैसे लेते हो, आपने एक अपार्टमेंट या आपने एक प्रॉपर्टी लिया और उसको आपने 5 लाख रुपए में लिया और आज उसकी कीमत 50 लाख रुपया हो गया, तो आपको 45 लाख या 45 लाख का आपको मुनाफा हो गया। आप क्या करते हो, जब आप बेचोगे तब उस पे आपको कैपिटल गेन, आपको टैक्स देना पड़ता है गवर्नमेंट को। गवर्नमेंट अपना आपका जो इनकम स्लैब है उस हिसाब से आपका कैपिटल गेन लेता है और उनका पैसा मिल जाता है, आपको अपना पैसा मिल जाता है, बट आपको मुनाफा मिल जाता है। और अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट पैसे सिर्फ बैंक में रखा होता या आपने तिजोरी में रखा होता, या यू हैव पुट दैट मनी इनटू अ बैंक और इनटू योर whatever you call it, like a cupboard or whatever you call it, right? You put it into bank under your bed, or you just put it into your cash, it does not grow. You have to make your money work for you, and the best opportunity is invest that money into right place. You can invest in real estate, you can invest in mutual fund, you can invest in stock, bonds, but don't let it sit. But don't put everything, just put a small portfolio. So आपके पास अगर 10 लाख रुपया है तो आप 10% मीन्स 1 लाख रुपया इन्वेस्ट करो। अगर आपके पास 50 लाख रुपया है तो उसका 10% इन्वेस्ट करो। और डाइवर्सिफाई का मतलब क्या है, जैसे वॉरेन बफेट जो टॉप एनालिस्ट है वो बोलते हैं कि डाइवर्सिफाई योर पोर्टफोलियो। Basically you have to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all eggs in one basket. There is a saying that you don't put everything in one place. You invest little bit in cryptocurrency, you invest in blockchain, you invest in ICOs, you invest in real estate, you invest in mutual fund, stock, bonds, और थोड़े कैश अपने पास रखो ताकि कुछ हो तो आप उसका यूज कर सकते हो। बट ऑलवेज डाइवर्सिफाई योर पोर्टफोलियो, सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर इन प्रॉफिट, ओके। और जब लीगलाइज होगा, इंडिया में तो अभी लीगलाइज हो रहा है, हर कंट्रीज में लीगलाइज हो गया, तो इंडिया भी लीगलाइज करेंगे, एंड इंडिया इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू लीगलाइज क्रिप्टो करेंसी इन अ बिग वे। रिसेंटली आई हर्ड द इथेरियम फाउंडर Vitalik donated millions of dollars to the Indian government for this pandemic. So अगर इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने अगर ब्लॉकचेन लिया ही नहीं होता तो उनको ये जो फंड मिलता ही नहीं था। आजकल बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल एक अपना वॉलेट बना के रखते हैं ताकि जो डोनर्स होते हैं वो डोनेट कर सकते हैं, और ये अनोनिमस डोनेट कर सकते हैं। किसी के पास बहुत पैसा है वो जाके डोनेट करता है कि हमारे अस्पताल के लिए आप इतना 4 बिटकॉइन दे दिया। 4 बिटकॉइन आज की तारीख में अगर बिटकॉइन 40,000 है, $40,000 है, एक बिटकॉइन भी दिया तो वो अस्पताल को $40,000 मिल जाता है। दे कैन यूज इट फॉर एनी पर्पस। बट अगर वो ब्लॉकचेन अवेयर ही नहीं है तो वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेंगे, तो डोनर्स कैसे डोनेट करेंगे? इसीलिए आपको ये ब्लॉकचेन क्रिप्टो सीखना ही होगा, इसमें देखना ही होगा, और इसमें इन्वेस्ट ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप थोड़ा अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करो एंड देन यू विल थैंक मी when you become a millionaire or when you become a crorepati or lakpati, whatever you call it in India. Okay, so with that, let's go to the next slide. So I hope you got it. So this is the journey. I have seen this journey of 10,000. That's why this is very critical slide for me. Right from 2017, when the Bitcoin was like less than $1,000, it went $10,000 just within a fraction of like $20,000 within fraction of a year. सो बिटकॉइन जो $1,000 से नीचे था, एक साल में $20,000 तक गया। 2017 was the biggest development, and that is when most of the people started looking into cryptocurrency. Okay, so इसमें cryptocurrency बहुत बढ़ गया और it went up to $20,000. So this is the milestone. Okay, this is just a slide I have put it. Now coming to blockchain and how you can the opportunities. Okay, हमने देखा है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी देखा, हमने सोचा, हमने सीखा आज कि कैसे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। कैसे इन्वेस्ट करने का वो मैंने नहीं दिखाया, बट क्या है ब्लॉकचेन। आई होप यू गॉट लिटिल बिट अंडरस्टैंडिंग what blockchain is, what is cryptocurrency. And now here is the very good slide presented by 101blockchains.com. You should definitely visit that website. Blockchain wheel of opportunity. So there is a huge opportunity. You can become a developer, you can become a blockchain engineer, you can become an information security analyst, you can become a project manager, you can become research analyst. There are hundreds of jobs. And with that, I want to bring this slide to you. I hope you can see my slide here. Okay, I will go to that slide later on. Before that, let me complete all these slides and then I'll go to sharing my other screen because I have to swap my screen. So there are lots of opportunity available in blockchain developer, hundreds of jobs, thousands of jobs in India itself, and more than thousands of jobs across the globe, like maybe in 100,000 of jobs across the globe in blockchain. So अगर आपको investment नहीं है, आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, आपको invest नहीं करना है, you can become a blockchain developer, you can become a analyst, you can create software, you can create an apps which is called. You can become a support service. You can be a moderator in Telegram and WhatsApp group and things like that. There is a lot of opportunity, guys. There is a sky is the limit. And without any investment, I'm going to show you how you can make money. Without putting your money from your pocket, you can make money in this cryptocurrency. And without any, no scam, nothing, just pure investment, learning, and you can also become a teacher or a professor just like me and make money with cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Before that, let me pause this and go back to the next slide. I'm going to show you how to make money. Before that, let me share something. Okay, I'm coming to mostly another few minutes we have. But I will quickly show you some of the presentation. Let me share my thing. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm bringing this slides and some of the things which I took. So I hope you will enjoy this and you will see what opportunity I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the thing which I explain you about the blockchain and how the price went. So this we already discussed. Go to the next one. Okay. So I was talking about job opportunity. I just did a Google search. Okay, as you know, everybody, when you are looking for a job, you do a Google search. So if you look at the screen right now, there are like more than 100 plus 100. You can say 100, but there are more than thousands of jobs. Okay, in industry, you can see in United States itself. Okay, and that's also the look at the amount they are paying for the blockchain developer. Okay, so if you just do Google search, this is not like I've created or something. You can do Google search job opportunity in blockchain in USA. Okay, so this is just a opportunity. You have hundreds of jobs, hundred of job. And before I jump to that, you can see the amount people make. You can see here I'm hovering 116,000 to 200,000 blockchain jobs now hiring. So people who are into blockchain developer, they are making like six-figure income, five to six-figure income easily. So there is a huge opportunity as a blockchain developer, and we are definitely going to introduce a blockchain developer course soon, and you can join that course. So basically, there is an opportunity to make anywhere from 5 to 6-figure income, 116 to 200,000 as a blockchain developer. You can see there is in LinkedIn 9,000 plus blockchain job in the United States. So this is not made up or something. I'm not trying to market you or something, but there is a huge opportunity, 9,000 plus blockchain jobs. You can imagine if you learn blockchain, it's definitely will give you a job opportunity in US, even in India for that matter. If you go to India, I just did the same search. There are companies like IBM, like Accenture, all these companies are hiring, and there are more than 100 plus jobs, and like more than hundreds and thousands of jobs available. Lakho jobs available here. You can say that because across the globe. And as I told you, with blockchain, you don't have to work from US. You can work from anywhere as long as you have your laptop, computer, and a Wi-Fi. You can make. So you have thousands of jobs available in blockchain. Every day there are blockchain jobs. You can see 11,434 blockchain opening, Naukri.com. So these are all the website which you guys are aware about. It's not created something by me, but it is. You can see Monster India and all these things. So if you look at this job opportunity, that itself is a big thing. For you should pay an attention to blockchain and learn blockchain as much as possible. If I go into 100 plus more jobs, you can see these are the job opportunities. And this is just to give you a brief idea where the blockchain is going, where the cryptocurrency is going in India also. So with whatever people are talking about, bad thing about crypto and other thing, but there is huge opportunity. You can see 1 month ago, 1.2 million to 1.8, 1.8 lakhs to 1.8 lakh per month full-time senior blockchain developer चाहिए इनको. So you can see, आप देख सकते हो कितने job opportunity है इंडिया में भी और US में भी और across the world. It's not only the blockchain technology is used across the globe. So you are not limited to your country. You can take a work in a different country. You can work in US working from your home, or you can work at night in the daytime. You can have a full-time job, and part-time you can do some blockchain development. You can come up with the dApps. There are projects, there are hackathons where you can join those hackathon and come up with your own blockchain technology and put up your white paper and come up with a dApps or application, and you can launch it. So there is a huge opportunity in blockchain development itself. And that is what another area where I'm trying to invite you guys, look into it. If you are on the fence, looking for job opportunities, just like in 1990s and 2000, there was a blockchain or .com bubble. Now it's a crypto or blockchain bubble. So there'll be lots of potential available job opportunities. So those people who jump into blockchain development and all, they will have an edge over other people. So jump into as soon as possible, learn the blockchain, invest in your time and money into crypto, learn the technology. And by the time in 6 months down the line, you will be an expert and you'll start making investment. You'll start making decisions on your own, and you'll also learn about cryptocurrency, how to invest, how to make your money grow, sevenfold, which we saw, and also make recurring passive income, and which we are going to talk in our detailed course. Okay, so I will just show you right now. I showed you this particular slide. This is from financialexpress.com, which you already saw this. And if you want, you can go to Financial Express and search. And now coming to the major thing, because you attended this course workshop, I'm not going to let you go today. As I promised you that I'm going to share you something where you can make money. And that's where I'm going to share you right now, okay? And we'll take a question in few minutes. We have a little bit time left, but we'll take the question, let it continue. I guess we have time, right?
Yes, sir, we have time.
Okay. So I'm going to share some opportunity right now so that people who have taken this initiative and spend time to come to this webinar, they will make some money and they can make some easy money, or they can invest something and learn something and still make money. Okay, so I'm going to share that with everybody. And we went through these slides. Okay, so here it is. If you are interested, because you guys were very good to jump onto this particular webinar workshop, if you want to make $10, today without making or breaking your bank, or 700 rupees, and I'm going to show you an easy method. Okay, you just have to go and go to bit.ly earn $10, which I'm going to paste it here in the chat. Okay, so you just go to HTTPS, and it's free money. You take this and start with investment. And if you go right now, or whenever you have time, you can make easy money. Okay, bit.ly earn $10. So this is a referral link, just to let you know, affiliate link. We get some $10, you get $10. So basically it's a free money. You make $10, which is roughly 700 rupees. We both get $10. And this money, we are going to use it for our technology team that has put together effort. So if you take action, it will definitely help the channel as well as help the institute and everything. So definitely go through this link and make $10. We both get, like, you get $10. We also get, our team gets $10 free Bitcoin when you buy $100 of crypto. So what you do, you just have to do is go through that link, sign up, create your account, buy $100 worth of crypto. $100 is like, in US dollar, convert it into Indian rupees, whatever it is, you buy it and you sell it. So you buy when the Bitcoin, right now the Bitcoin price is very low. It's very low bottom. Trust me, within 6 months or a year, it can go up to 100,000. But as I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't want to make a commitment and you hold me for that. Bitcoin is very volatile. It has gone from 20,000 to 4,000, from 4,000 to 60,000, and 60,000 to around 36,000. So it's very volatile. Don't put all your money, just invest that you can afford to lose. Okay, so if you have, this is not going to break your bank. This is not going to be a financial advice, but if you want to take action, you buy $100 worth of crypto and sell it, and you get $10. As soon as you buy and sell, you get $10. And with that profit, you can again buy it and keep it and hold it for a couple of months. And when the price today is, let's say, giving you an example, the price of Bitcoin is 36,000. When the price of Bitcoin goes to 37,000 or 36,500, you straight away made $500 profit within few months. Of course, with the profit comes, you have to pay the taxes and other things, but even after paying taxes, you will still make good gain. Okay, so this is a very easier method of making $10 for attending this today's webinar, and this is free. This is absolutely a affiliate link. And I mentioned all this thing, how to earn referral. Visit the referral page of Coinbase, copy and share your referral link. And then guess what? Once you do that, you can share it with your friends and family, and you can both earn $10. So once you create your account, validate your account, buy crypto within, I think there is you need to do it within stipulated time. Okay, there is a you get it within after 4 days after you complete the transaction, but you have limited time. So go through this. When you go through that, you have to make sure you take the action, and you have at least within 60 days time you have to do it. Okay, so you can earn $10. Once you earn $10, go and reach out to your family and friends, share, create your own referral link and share it. So they will get $10. You approach them, teach them about crypto, they make $10, you make $10. And by that, there is you can easily make free money. So I was talking about how to make free money. Even if you do this, you can make a free money yourself. आप फ्री मनी कमा सकते हो अगर आपने आपका खुद का रेफरल लिंक बनाया. अभी आपको अगर अकाउंट बनाना है, हमारे रेफरल लिंक से जाओगे तो आपको $10 मिलेगा या 700 रुपया मिलेगा. हम लोग को भी 700 रुपया मिलेगा. It's a win-win. But if you create your own account directly, you don't get anything, we don't get anything. So it's always better to help the channel or to the community that has put together this webinar for you that will help us bring more content. And we are going to bring more such things in our thing. Then another second opportunity. This is one second opportunity I'm going to show you is like if you want to create a trading account in Binance, there is another referral link where you make up to 40% commission. Okay, so we are sharing you our link because we have approved Binance referral. So what you do is you get 50% commission. We are sharing with you 50%. We get 50%, and you get 50% when you create your Binance account through our referral link. But this is only for the new account creator. Okay, for Coinbase also it's a new account creator, $10, and this is also for the new account creator. But there is no harm in looking at it. Yes. Somebody asked, can we buy $100 of crypto using money earned? Yes, you can buy $100 worth of money from your referral link. So you create your referral link and then share it with other people, and then you keep making $10. Once you get $10, you have $100. You can invest it, and quickly when it goes to 100 to 150, sell it. So you made $50 profit on the crypto, as well as you get your $10 also. So you made like $60. Third thing, another thing. This is second option which I was talking about. The third one which I'm going to share with you. Let me share it with you. So this is the second thing. If you are trying to do trading, so what you do is trading is basically very easy. You create a Binance account. We will have a Binance course, how to create your blockchain, how to transfer funds from bank account and do the trading, how to do KYC so that you do authentically. And then when you buy and sell, you make money. And that with that profit, you save money on your commission of transaction. You get 40%, up to 40% commission based on our referral link. So if you sign up, you get up to 40% commission on every trade that you do. Okay, so both the links are in the chat. And the third, we are going to share with you. Okay, before we take a question answer, I want to share you the opportunity, one more opportunity. So you are getting all this. Imagine you are getting this from a free session, and when you join our paid workshop, you are going to definitely learn more than this. Okay, so with the free workshop, you got at least the value of your money. I'm going to share you some more things. I don't know why my okay, just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Somehow my Google on the Apple MacBook, crashes, and I'm supposed to open it again. So I don't know what's going on, but just give me 2 minutes. I will be sharing with you one more opportunity. Okay. In between, if you have any question, you can just go ahead and put it in the chat, and we will answer all the questions that you have. So moderator, please check the questions and let me know what question they have, common questions people are asking, and I will take those questions right now. So we'll open for question for 10-15 minutes, and then we will talk about our next workshop which are coming. Or maybe Himanshu, you can talk about the workshop that we are having.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the workshop. You understood something. And as sir is given some, if you are, because we understand that people who are present today here, they are interested in investing and earning money, and obviously more money oriented. That's why he has given the referral code. You can use that referral code. You can start trading, and you can start on earning money as well, right? So now the workshop given today is the very basics about the Bitcoin and blockchain, but we understand this knowledge is not just sufficient, and due to the time constraint, it's not available, it's not possible to provide a complete hand-holding guidance for the whole investment thing. But guys, there's a good news. We have requested Mr. Raj to conduct several other workshops in future. He is interested to host 3 days of workshop where he will be giving you complete step-by-step guidance how to invest and how you make money. End of the workshop, you will be making money of yourself. You will be investing money, and also you'll be getting back by end of the 3rd day. So once this workshop is done, whoever attends the workshop, you are a complete, fully ready to go in the the cryptocurrency investment sector and start earning money. So we'll be hosting this workshop maybe after maybe a week of time. Will be this workshop obviously is 3 days workshop. Mr. Raj is now, he's giving his precious time. So it won't be a free workshop like today we're hosting. It will be very minimally charged, like somewhere around 400, 500 at max. But we bet you guys, if you are investing this 400 rupees or 500 rupees, you'll be getting that money back by the end of this workshop. So by this investment. So this is completely win-win situation for you and us. We don't want you to spend money. At the same time, we cannot make this 3 days workshop free of cost. So let's make a deal. Will you attend this workshop by paying 400 or 500, whatever it will be decided, and you will get your money back by end of the workshop. You'll be good to earn even 10 times more than the whatever the investment you are doing, right? So so this workshop will be hosted probably after a week of time. We'll be launching that one. This is a paid workshop. So simply the same thing that you have to go to the skyradar.com, and will be the way you register for the free workshop, you'll be doing it for paid workshop. And once you do that, you'll be because the whole crowd will be, there will be very less number of students, like 50, 60. We won't take more than that limitation of the seat, to make sure that everyone gets a chance to interact with Mr. Raj directly, and they can any doubt you have, maybe you are investor or a beginner, or you are interested in this sector, whatever it is, if you are a software developer and want to get a job in cryptocurrency sector, or blockchain sector, you can be the participant of the workshop. You can attend this, whatever you are in what may be your level of learning in this cryptocurrency sector. You can join this one, and you are good to start earning some money, right? So we'll be hosting the workshop maybe after a week of time, guys. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can ask, and we'll be sending the email, we'll be sending you SMS, and be there in the WhatsApp group. Already the group been set by Mr. Swarup Acharya. I'm sharing the group again. Connected to this group, we'll be sharing the workshop details in this group. We'll be inviting you to join that one. Just don't join yourself, get your friends to join this workshop. What will happen when you have a group of students with you, maybe from your college, maybe from your from your family? So investment, or maybe the brainstorming into these sectors becomes very easy. Like, you are not the one who is doing it. So all together in a group, you can do something and start earning some money from this, because this is the future. And today this is said that you don't have to work very hard to earn money. So these are the few ways. So probably this, you should be, as a student, you should be investing some time in learning this, because probably the digital currency and everything is going to take the market in the future. So guys, if you have any other doubt, you can ask in the chat box. If not, then probably I'll hand over the session to Mr. Raj again.
Okay, so thanks, Himanshu, for clearing that. And I have also put. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, I'll just start my session 1 second. Okay, so here when you go through that link, you will get try Coinbase and get $10. This is the screen you will get. You put your first name, last name, email, choose password, and your country. And I'm certified that you should be 18 years or old. And then once you go through that, you just create your account and make sure you buy something worth $100. And of course, Coinbase is approved in your India, so there is no problem. You can be in US or India or any other country and still open your Coinbase account. Okay, so Coinbase is valid, and you can create that account. And one more thing which I wanted to present to you: once you join Coinbase, okay, if you want to make more money, okay, more money means like how do you? Okay, you got $10. $10 is not enough, right? So you want to make another. So I'm going to share you one more secret where you can make up to $30. 7 threes are like 700, $2,100, up to $3,000 you can make. And that is basically you can. I'm going to share you a secret, which is. Let me put my charger here. Okay, battery is fine. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to share with you a secret, which is if you go to Coinbase, once you create it account, okay, and then you log into your account. Okay, let me log into my account. Just 2 minutes, okay. I'm going to share you one more opportunity, and then we'll take some questions, and we will. If somebody can moderator, if you can see the questions and ask me those questions, that would be great. And in my meanwhile, I'll just share with you how to. Okay, so once you log into your account, okay, I'm just logging into my account here. It will delay. It is going to ask you if you're not a robot and bot. So it will just sign you in. My session died, otherwise. So there is something called, when you go to, I want to share it with you. Let's see if it comes up. So you just have to create this account with your name and email and password, and give your country and all. And then you join and go to rewards. Okay, Coinbase/rewards. After you join, after you create an account, okay, and you can make money by reading and watching these videos. They have put together some videos and cool stuff, and you can make up to $30 just by reading those articles, watching those videos. You have to complete a particular task, and you make that particular thing. Let me show you. I think it's not allowing me. There is some lag. So give me 2 minutes. I will share with you. So just after you go to Coinbase/reward, after you sign up, you have some articles, some videos and all, and they pay you $1, $3, $5, up to $30 you can make. So $30 plus $10, you'll make up to $40. Just by attending this today's workshop, you got a little tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. And now I'm going to open for the questions. So let's see if you guys have any questions, and I'm going to take your questions, okay? Moderator, can you tell me what questions they have? Let me see what chats are there. Okay, so I'm just going to take some random questions, and I'm going through all the questions right now. So bear with me, and I'll pick up most common questions, okay? So, do you want to put them onto, shall I make them unmute and ask them question, or you want me to take the chat? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Himanshu, can you take some questions, or do you want me to take
Yeah,
the questions?
I'll just read those questions.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Gautam is asking, sir, how this coin prices are determined? Because this highly volatile and sometimes price is high, sometimes low. How do you determine the price?
Okay, so this price is not determined by anybody, like it's determined by the market. So it's demand and supply. So based on demand and supply, when people are there is a demand for the coin price goes up. Okay, and when there is no demand, the coin price goes down. So it's basically on demand and supply. As I told you, it's like a decentralized exchange. It's all driven by demand and supply. So if you have a coin which has a huge amount of supply, then the demand is low. But if there is a coin which has a small definite supply, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, 21 million, there is always a need. People would like to hodl, or hodl is basically hold it for a long time, or hold it to your life. Basically, that's a term in blockchain, where you buy Bitcoin and hold it, don't sell it for a couple of years, and you don't get capital gain, because if you keep it for a couple of years, you don't get that much capital gain. You get a very small capital gain. But if you buy and sell, if you do trading, you get capital gain. You have to pay the taxes and all. So if you buy coin when it is low, right now Bitcoin has already correction. There was a correction. The Bitcoin price went down from 60,000 to 36,000, 35,000. It is a good time to invest a small bit of investment, or it can go further down also. We never know that it will bounce back and go to $100,000 anytime. So guess what? If you invest small amount of investment that you can afford to lose, just put money, like you have 10,000 rupees, and you think that it's not going to break you, it's not going to bring you on the road. Just invest that and then hold it. And when the price goes up to $60,000, $70,000, sell it and make the profit, give the capital gain to the government, and still you can make some good hefty profit. And I told you some couple of ways today that you can read article and make money. There are airdrops happening every day. So what is airdrop? How to get into airdrop? How to create a blockchain wallet? How to get those free coins? Those are all things we are going to discuss in our second workshop. We have two workshops which are coming. One is an investor workshop where we are going to talk to you about and explain you what is a wallet, how to create a wallet. We'll do hand holding. We'll also explain you all the details about this particular website, creating investment, buying, selling, trading, how to create an account on Binance or any other exchanges. I'm going to share with you all this information during our session. Okay. So yeah, next question, please. Okay, and you have an article like first time buying new to crypto. Here's our guide. You can go to CoinMarketCap, how to buy Bitcoin. This is another source where I'm going to put it in the chat for everybody.
So there is another question.
Uh-huh.
Is there any specific mobile app to invest in Bitcoin?
Come again?
Is there any specific mobile app to invest in Bitcoin?
Basically, there are each exchange, like, I'm going to share with you, there are so many exchanges out there, more than hundreds of exchanges. Okay. So here are the exchanges. Okay. So if you go through all these exchanges, there is Binance, there is UOB. These are the top 10 exchanges, or maybe more than 100 plus exchanges are there, but I'm showing you some top exchanges. Like Binance is #1 exchange. It has a trade volume based on the ranking is based on the volume that goes into the exchange. $20.41 billion volume is done every single day. Guess what, guys? $20.41 billion. So you can imagine how much volume trading is done on this exchange. And there is a huge opportunity, which I was talking about. So there are many exchanges like Binance, UOB, OKX, Upbit, Coinbase Pro, which I shared you the link. This is US based exchange, bitcoin.com, DigiFinex, and each exchange has their own wallet. Each exchange has their own app. Okay, it has a website, they have a portal, they have their chat, they have Telegram group and everything. You have support. Just invest into legitimate exchanges. Don't go into some shady exchanges. The top exchanges which I according to me are Binance is the top #1 exchange. They have Safehu, which is your funds are safe in case of a hack or anything. You don't lose your money. Huobi is a good exchange. It's a Asian-based exchange. Then there is a Coinbase, is very good exchange, which is a US-based exchange. They had a recent launch of their coin on the stock exchange, so it's a reputed exchange, Coinbase, which I shared you $10 link today. So that's another good exchange. Then there is FTX is a good exchange if you want to stock into US stock and crypto. Also, you can buy stocks of US companies and trade. So that's another exchange, FTX. Then there is Kraken is a good exchange. KuCoin is a good exchange. And some of the exchanges which you might have to do your own research, but there are so many exchanges. You can see WazirX is an exchange in India, and there are so many exchanges. And WazirX has tied up with the Binance also. So WazirX, as per Indian thing, WazirX is a good exchange, but you need to go with a reputed exchange like Binance, Coinbase. WazirX is also good, but Binance is the ultimate exchange, which has a trading. Why I'm saying you should invest in a ultimate exchange, because if you are doing trading, buying and selling, you need volume. You need people to buy and sell. If you go to an exchange which does not do that much volume, you are not going to get some trade profits. Okay, so you can go through this exchanges link which I shared on the group. You can go into this how to buy. CoinMarketCap is a very good resource where you can find what are the various cryptocurrency. CoinMarketCap.com. It's again owned by Binance right now. It was earlier somebody created it and then they purchased it, and now it's owned by Binance. But it's a very good good place to get into. You know what is the price of Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is trading at 35,000 US dollar. Ethereum is 2,000. So these are the top coins. And if you are interested in investing, always invest in the top 10 coins, which will definitely not go bankrupt or go into bad thing. So always invest your money into top coins. If you are getting started, don't invest in get rich scheme. There are some coins which comes, they'll say, hey, you'll make 10K, 100 from $1 to $100, $500. Don't invest in those type of coins. Just invest in reputed coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Binance coin is a good. Cardano is very good. And we are going to talk in detail which coin to invest. We have a huge team which does research and puts everything in place. Okay. Yeah. Next question, please. While I'm sharing something here, you can ask me questions. Okay. So when you go to your link, okay, I told you about the Coinbase. When you go to Coinbase, it will ask you to create your account. Same way, when you go to Binance, it will ask you to create a free account, put your name, password. This is our referral link. When you click, so you get 40% commission, up to 40%. We share 50-50. So you get 50, we get 50%. That's the maximum commission you can make by creating the account with us, because our account is a very investor account. We got a very good reputed tie-up with Binance, and they gave us a good referral link. So we are passing that referral link to you guys, okay? And everybody who joins through our referral link will get that money. Okay, next is another link, CoinMarketCap, which I shared with you. These are the coin ranking exchanges. So you can go to this link and find out which are the top exchanges. I'm going to put that link also here in my chat. Okay, about the security. Okay, people are talking about how your money is secure. Safehu, where Binance, if you put your money or you invest in coins and everything, your money is safe, secure asset fund for users. It's called Safehu. So what they have done in 2018, July 14, they allocated 10% of trading fees received into Seifu. So in case of a hack or anything, they will recoup your money. And it's safe to invest. Binance has been very reputed exchange and it's been there for long time. It's been amazing. They have lots of products and all. So that's why most of the people create an account in Binance, and Coinbase is a US-based exchange and they have trading on US exchanges. So that's a reputed exchange. Third one, as I told you, Ryobi is a good exchange. The one, go through all the list of top exchanges and then you do your own research. And we will also share you some of the research that we have done, and in our workshop we are going to bring it also. Okay. Okay, next, any questions?
Sir, I have a question personally.
Sure.
If someone is investing for the first time and like me, I never did it earlier. So should I go for which coin you would suggest, like Bitcoin or Binance coin? Which one should I invest some money? I know that I'll not lose my money. Can you just give us anything like from your experience?
Yes. So from my experience, basically, you have to first rule of thumb is like you do your own research. Okay. We are going to do our own research and give you a top 10 coins, like top 10 coins based on market cap. So the best coin at this moment to invest is Bitcoin, because it's the godfather of the coins and it's the blockchain's first coin. And the Bitcoin price was at given time $60,000. And right now you are getting at almost 50% discount. Okay. But if you are looking to make money quickly, buy and sell, right, then Bitcoin might not be the right thing. Okay. But if you are ready to hodl means hold it for a longer time, you are ready to invest it and forget it for 6 months, just it will go down, and when you enter into blockchain or cryptocurrency, you have to learn first rule that there is always a correction. Bitcoin has gone from 1,000, like $0 to $1,000, 1,000 to $10,000, 10,000 to 20,000, and then it came to $4,000, and from 4,000 to 35 to 60,000, and then again it came to 35. So if you are not able to take that high volatility, then don't enter into this cryptocurrency. I would give you an advice. But if you know the market, that this is what it is going to happen, and you know that there is a huge potential at the end of the tunnel, then invest into Bitcoin. I would suggest buy a small amount of Bitcoin, $100, $200, $500, $1,000 worth, whatever you can afford that you can lose. Okay, if you lose, it should not break your bank. You should not feel bad about it, but you'll not lose it. Just I'm giving you not a financial advice, but I'm just giving you the real picture. If you lose, you should not worry about it. But it's not going to. It's never like I have been investing since 2016, as I told you. I have seen up and down, right from $1,000 to $20,000. When I went for a vacation, it was 20,000, and it came when I came back from vacation, it went up to $8,000, and then in pandemic it went up to $4,000. I look at it as an opportunity for you to make money. You invest when the market dips or goes down. So this is the time. If you are taking my advice, this is the time. Invest it, and don't invest at a given time. You should do dollar cost averaging, DCA. That means when the Bitcoin goes down, keep investing small amount, like 35,000, it goes 30, you buy 30. You should have a little bit buffer of money kept so that when it goes down, you should be able to buy at a lower time. So you're averaging the cost. And when you are selling it also, when Bitcoin goes from 35 to 40, sell a small portfolio. From 40 to 45, take your profit. 45 to 50, take your profit. Don't wait, oh, I'm going to sell only when it goes 100,000. It's never going to happen. Always take your profit. You buy $100 worth Bitcoin, and tomorrow your Bitcoin goes $200, take your profit. $100 you invested, you got $200, keep your $100 back, and then invest $100. So that's a free money you invested. That is the best strategy, I'll tell you. So you have $10,000, you invested in 10,000. When Bitcoin goes, your value goes from 10,000 to 20,000 worth, sell it, take 20,000, 10,000 profit and invest 10,000. So that $10,000 is your free money. Now let it grow. And then again, it goes to 20,000, take another profit and keep on investing. That is the best strategy. That's called dollar cost averaging strategy. You buy during the dip, when Bitcoin goes from 35, 30, 25, buy it. And when Bitcoin goes up, start selling it. And that's the best strategy I can tell you. And you can do that for many coins. One is a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin is a very good coin. These are the three coins which I will say suggest. Cardano is very good because they are coming up with new projects. So this is a very good coin. Dogecoin is basically a coin which has been pumped by billionaire Tesla CEO, Elon Musk. So I don't know about that coin. I would not recommend, but you can have a small portfolio. It's available for 31 cents. But don't take my word. It does not have any utility of this. It's a meme coin. So it does not have any value. But according to me, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, Cardano, you will make your return on your investment very well. Polkadot is good. So top 10 coins, you cannot go wrong. Uniswap was good. Top 10 to 20 coins, it has a very good potential. Okay. But we'll learn more in our investment thing. Okay. So I think there is a question from Himansh. Yeah, Rajendra, Sahil, and Manish. Yeah, go ahead.
Quick question actually I got personally. They're asking, let's say, Bitcoin was the last answer if someone is willing to invest for the first time. So from India, being a student, where to invest, like Wajirex or Binance?
Coinbase.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can if you are in India, you can invest it in from Coinbase. People from India can invest in Coinbase. You can invest in Binance. Binance.com accepts Indian users. There is a KYC, know your customer, but that is definitely you have to do it. But I'm going to show you there are ways by which if you don't want to do KYC, you can create a wallet for storing Bitcoin, and that also I'm going to share it in our investment class. Okay, so there is a wallet called MetaMask wallet, Ledger wallet. You can store your Bitcoin, you can store your Ethereum and all. But there is a little bit step of creating and all, but which we are going to talk. We don't have time right now, but we'll talk about it in our second and third workshop. Okay. But the best exchanges right now, I'll tell you, I would, if I was you, when I was starting, I started with Coinbase because I also made $10 free money, just like you guys are going to make. So it's nothing wrong. Everybody wants free money. You test it, see if it is worth, and then use it. And then you share it with other people. You keep making $10. So you're making money. So now you have made money from an exchange. Why not you give it back to them by investing? That's what my mentality is. Like right now, you got value from our webinar. Why don't you use our affiliate link and support the channel, learn from us, because we are going to give you value, because you guys have put in so much effort, putting together so much, you need to get rewarded. And this is the best way of rewarding, helping each other. You use our referral link so that we make a little bit back from the community, and we give back to the community. And from, just to let you know, from whatever income that we make every year through our investor and all, we also give it back to the Indian community, to the charitable organizations like Sadhguru's organization, Karunamai Amma's organization. There are so many organizations across South Africa and all, people who are dying of hunger, people who are dying of, farmers who are dying. We contribute from our profit to all these organizations. So even though if I'm in US, there are lots of people who are in US, they contribute back to Indian community and organizations when they make profit, or from your job, whatever you make, just give 10% or 5%, whatever you can afford to give it back to the charity. And that's what our motto is also. We give back to the community, we give back to our Indian community, we give it in other international community, like in US also, we have various community, like we help people who are local community, local charitable organizations, and we contribute to them also. We also contribute to international charity, and we also contribute to Indian. So it's just, it's a good way of doing it. When you give back, you get back. So the more you give, the more you get, so it's always given, when you give more, you get more back. So that's what I have seen in my life. And I would recommend you do the same thing. Okay, next question, please.
The next question someone asked, can we invest in apps like DCX, Coinbase, Wajirex simultaneously, or is there any problem?
What is it?
Can we invest in different apps at a time? Can we invest different apps? Let's say, $100, I'll divide into different apps and I'll invest somewhere else. Is that
Yeah, yeah,
possible?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can invest as much as you can divide your funds and put it into Binance, Coinbase, and other exchanges. Also, you can do that. There is no reason you cannot do that. You can create n number of exchanges account and invest small amount. So if you are getting some benefit by investing, you get some kind of a bonus and all. You should do that. But remember, you should watch and learn through the terms and condition and take action. Don't wait because you created an account and you'll fund it after a month or so, then you will lose that opportunity. So remember, always go through the terms and conditions and invest it right away so that you get back your referral commission. I did not understand what you did not understand. Somebody, Rajendra Sayal, said I didn't understand. Can you elaborate the question?
Rajendra, can you please ask the question again?
Yeah. Hello, you have any questions? Please put it. I'm going to say I have invested in Beldex, BDX, and TRX coins. What would be the price prediction? Okay. Price prediction we are not taking, so sorry, I can't answer that question. What else? Don't ask me about price prediction. Just ask about this session so that we can limit it, because there will be, we can take this offline. And guess what, guys? If you have any specific question in investment, or you want financial questions you have, or any kind of a one-on-one, you can book a one-on-one session with us, our expert, and the team is going to take your one-on-one request, and we can create a one-on-one session with you, half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, with Zoom call with an expert, and then we'll give you a entire details how we can help you out with your question or suggestions. We can provide you all suggestions, and we'll also create a document for you so that you can follow that step by step. Somehow my Coinbase is not working, but once you go, I'm going to search and show it to you. Basically, go to Coinbase rewards, and you will make rewards by reading article. Once you sign up only, you can do that. Yeah, so basically this is what it is. Yeah. So basically, if you just watch videos, what is Coinbase Earn? Coinbase Earn allows eligible customer to learn about different cryptocurrency via educational content. So what they have done is they have created a content and videos and all, and you can watch those videos and earn money. And if you are in these countries, live in country eligible for Coinbase, and I think India is also part of it. So it will allow you to make this, you can start earning. Okay, Coinbase Earn. Any other questions, guys? Sir, will crypto market recover from current crash? Yes. It is. See, anything that goes down has to come up. Anything that goes up has to come down. Okay, so there will always be up and down. That's how any market, whether it's a stock market, forex, any asset, even real estate, it goes up, boom, and it comes down. It goes up. All the asset class, it never goes up continuously. It has to do correction. It has to go up and down. So the market is always going to correct and go bounce back. And it is said, like, I don't take my word, but there are, if you go into so many tweets and if you are on this, there are predictions that Bitcoin can reach $100,000 in this year itself. Don't take my word; it's not my word, but a lot of people have done extensive research, and they have predicted that Bitcoin can go up to 100,000 this 2021. But is it guaranteed? There is no guarantee. Nobody can give guarantee about life. So what can you give about guarantee about crypto, right? So there is no guarantee, whether it's a stock, real estate, anything can happen to anyone, and you just have to live with it. That's it. And if you don't take the opportunity, when it goes to 100,000, you will say, oh, I should have invested, I should have taken Raj's advice. Yes. So best is don't invest everything, just invest small amount And if you make profit, good for you. If you don't make profit, then whenever the next time, make sure you take that opportunity. Even I missed out many times when people told me about in 2013, I did not take it. I started in 2014, 15. I did not take it because I was also skeptical like you. I did my research, and then when I came to know, I jumped on it, So everybody has its own time. So you have to learn, do your research and invest, and only invest that you can afford to lose. Don't invest everything. Don't sell your house, don't sell your car, don't sell your educational money and put it into crypto. No, don't do that. Just invest what you can afford to lose. Yeah. I think there are 3 more people who are asking questions. We have more than like a lot of people joined right now, but if you have any question, please go ahead and ask. Yeah, any other questions, Himanshu? I think we
So
are
one thing, like
almost, yeah.
I tried in Binance, but there is INR option is not there. It's just USD and other coins are there. So what is your
Yeah.
solution for this? Yeah.
Yeah, the solution is basically there are options available where you can fund the account with your credit card, debit card, or with your bank account. Okay, so it will take your fund in Indian rupees, convert it into US dollar, and then you can buy that coin. Okay, there is an INR option also I saw, but I will walk you through that also. But if there is no option, you can fund it to your account by credit card, debit card, your bank account. And once you fund it, it will be converted to the respective dollar amount. You can convert it into USDT, BUSD. There are coins, and we are going to talk about that in the next webinar. Do you have the presentation for that slide for that webinar?
The new one, the workshop you're saying?
Yeah.
No, not exactly. So we are working on that. So we'll be sharing the website to the students in the group itself. The WhatsApp group we have created, we'll be sharing that.
Okay.
So guys,
yeah, I want a feedback of how was the session. So please put your feedback if you like it. If I was too much fast or slow, you want more content, just put your feedback. And I hope you learned something, and make sure you take action and earn that $10 to $40 today itself. Take action, learn. It's free money, and invest it, and you help other people in your community make a living with this. So help them get some 700 to 1,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees. That's a good money. And you can do full time this itself, like refer your referral link and make money. For somebody who's not doing anything can do that. Of course, there are other opportunities much better than this. Just referral link is not an opportunity, but you can start with that. There is an opportunity of investment where you can make money by trading. There is an opportunity by becoming a blockchain developer where you can make 6-figure income just learning about blockchain. And there is an opportunity for buying crypto and storing it as an asset. And then when it goes up, you sell it and make profit. Of course, you have to pay capital gain, but still you can make profit. Rather than putting the money into the bank account or into not lucrative funds, you can put it into blockchain and you can get good return on your investment. Okay. So with that being said, I hope you got the value for this webinar. Put your feedback, and I appreciate the work that has been put by Himanshu and his team. There are a lot of people who are behind this scene. Swaroop is there, Mr. Shekhar is there, Prakash is there. There are lots of people who are in the marketing and sales team. I want to thank everybody for putting this workshop, and I hope people will learn from this workshop. You explain with other people, and you are doing a very good cause, helping people. When you help people, they help you. So with that being said, I think if you don't have any question, we can end this session. Any other questions? You guys think? I think we are over the time limit, right? Or we have some more time?
we are done with the time limit, sir. So guys, I'll just declare the same thing again. We'll be hosting our paid workshop very soon. This paid workshop will be very most affordable, because the blockchain workshop and crypto workshop happening in India is at least of 10 to 20,000 rupees per few hours. But as said, Skyride is always most affordable for everyone. We'll be making it just 400, 500 rupees. So we'll not be making it more. we'll be discussing with our internal team, and we'll be do that, so that because sir can invest his valuable 3 days of time to work with you guys and give you a great content. And after the workshop, you will be a complete investor. You can invest your money and on something. See, Skyred is always there to help students in any things. Be it a skill development, it's be it your getting help you to get a job, or maybe um, host earn some money. Hari is saying kindly host free workshop. Hari, we have been doing it. Today it was a free workshop. You got some idea. But again, hosting 3 days of workshop is practically not possible to make it free. So we'll be keeping it very, bare minimal charges, 400, 500, not more than that. I don't think that's a big amount to invest to learn blockchain from expert like Mr. Raj. So guys, keep joining to our workshop, keep joining, keep visiting to our platform. Stay tuned with upcoming workshop. There are a lot of more workshops coming in different segments. So stay tuned and keep learning. Hope
Yeah,
you
and
enjoyed this workshop. Yeah.
yeah, I also want to end on a good note. So when you're talking about 500 or 1,000 rupees, it is not the money that you're putting. Think that as an investment. It's not an expense, it's an investment. Because when you invest in yourself, when you invest something on your technology, or when you invest in yourself, it is an investment. It's not an expense. Because whatever time you put together, 1 hour, you have invested the time and you got the return by learning about cryptocurrency today, about the blockchain technology. And also, if you take an action, you would have made some money. So remember this, why we cannot make it free? Because there is cost involved in running this application, running this webinar, Zoom, everything is cost based. There's a subscription, the time the people put into the sales team, marketing team, they get paid. So that's why we have to charge you guys for a small amount. And it's an investment. As I told, it's not an expense, because you will get more money than what you have invested. Just now, you did not put any money, you put your time, but you got return back of your value today. Same way, when you come to our second and third workshop, you will make more returns on your investment, and your whatever investment you did, definitely get more value from that. So think that way. I also invested my time in learning cryptocurrency. I have also paid so much money to learn, but at the end of the day, I made more money, 10 times more than what, 10 to 20, maybe 100 times more money than what I have learned. And there is always a YouTube, Google, and Twitter or Facebook. You can learn for free also. But if you want to learn in a strategic way, step-by-step way, the best thing is to learn through a coach, or through the classes, or through the workshop, so that you get exactly what you're looking for. Okay, with that, thank you very much for joining this course workshop, and I appreciate all the work, effort that Skyrider team has put together to make this workshop a very successful one. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Mr. Raj, for making this workshop successful, giving your precious time. I understand you are quite busy with your packed schedule, but however, you made it completely free of cost to train students. Guys, this workshop will be uploaded in a YouTube. In case you want to see it later, you can see that. Also, if you are there, to download certificate, again, you can go to skyrider.com, go to the free workshop section. There you can download your certificate. You have to give a feedback there. We'll love to listen from you, and we'll be forwarding this feedback to Mr. Raj so that he can understand how you like this workshop or not. Quickly, you can type in the chat box if you like this workshop or no. Yes and no. So you can do right now, so that our guest can see if his effort is successful or not. You can
Yes,
type
please.
yes or no. Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. Excellent. Yes.
Yeah, you can put any feedback or any kind of comments also. That will help us make presentation much better. If you felt the speed was very fast or slow, or you did not understand, you want me to talk in your regional language. I don't know Oriya, but I know English, Hindi. So please feel free to put your questions. And I also have a form created. So if you want to learn something, put it in your WhatsApp group, what you want to learn. I'm also going to join that WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And we will try to customize the workshop. So we are not teaching you old information. We'll teach you the fresh things, what is happening in the latest in the world, and how you can encash it from that. Okay. So see, these are, I'm just sharing with you on the screen. You go to 101 blockchain career, and this is the link. I'm again putting it. And if you are looking as a blockchain developer or into blockchain world, you want a job, these are the opportunity available. You can click that link and get the details about it. Okay. Okay. So I think, thank you very much. We'll end this meeting now. Okay.
So if you are asking how to download certificate, I'll quickly set my screen in and tell you guys how to download the certificate of the workshop. Give me a moment. Guys, if you are asking how to download the certificate, this is my screen. You can see, guys. Can you see my screen, everyone? Yeah. So go to skyrider.com. Simply go to the free workshop section here. Then, guys, when the workshop is done, is completed, so you can go to the completed workshop section. This workshop, so you can go to the details, and here you can get something, get certificate. Click on that. Validate your mobile number. If you have already registered, then you are good to validate yourself. So this is a feedback. You can fill the feedback. Then after you submit, then you can download the certificate after 3 hours. Okay. So you have to submit your feedback, then come back after 3 hours. Then you can download the certificate. Okay. So guys, go to the free workshop section. Then go to the completed workshop. Then you can go to this section. If you have already registered for this workshop, then only you can download. Go to the free get certificate. Then you have to give your feedback. After feedback, you can download your certificate after 3 hours of the submitting the feedback. Okay. So again, thank you, sir. Thank you very much on behalf of family of Skyrider and on behalf of all our students. Thank you very much for giving us so valuable information. And of course, this will help many of us. Like I have started doing I've started doing. I'm planning to invest some money into the crypto, and this is all thanks to you. So see you again, guys. We'll be conducting more workshop with Mr. Raj, and we're getting this, as I told, we'll be hosting 3 days of paid workshop, many free workshop. Keep joining, keep learning, and keep exploring. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
And good luck, guys. Yeah, I wish you good luck in the success journey of cryptocurrency. Wish you all the best. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach me. Put your questions on WhatsApp. I'm also going to join the WhatsApp group, and time and time we'll share new features, new things, and we can learn together and earn. Okay. With that, bye from me. Good luck and take action.